इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल इज ए स्केलर क्वांटिटी। तो ये फार्मूला, because of the group of point charges, what will happen to this formula? It will become sigma qi upon ri. Sigma qi upon ri. It's clear? So you can see here, you can see this question. Here there are 4 charges and you have to find the electric potential at the point O, whose distance from each of the charge is 1 meter. So what will be the electric potential by formula? By formula, electric potential, this will be equal to V equals to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught sigma qi upon ri. Sigma qi upon ri. So you substitute the value. When you will substitute the value, it will be 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught. Q1 upon R1 plus Q2 upon R2 plus Q3 upon R3 and plus Q4 upon R4. It's clear? But you can see here, since V equals to 0, this is 0. This is already given that there is no electric potential at the point O. Therefore, 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 upon R1 plus Q2 upon R2 plus Q3 upon R3 plus Q4 upon R4. That will be equal to 0. This is 0. This thing is 0 means ये चीज 0 होगी, ये ब्रैकेट 0 होगा. क्यों? क्योंकि इसकी वैल्यू तो 0 हो नहीं सकती, हमको मालूम नहीं है क्या है इसकी वैल्यू. What is the value of 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught? 9 into 10 to the power 9. So you substitute the values. So see here, Q1, Q2, Q3 is given 3, 4, 7 in microcoulomb. You can convert in coulomb also, or there is no need here. So it is 3 upon 1 plus 4 upon 1 plus 7 upon 1 plus Q4 upon 1 equals to 0. Means 3 plus 4 plus 7, 14. 14 plus Q4 equals to 0. So what is Q4? It will be minus 14 microcoulomb. It will be minus 14 microcoulomb. Whether it is clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Now see here, next question, there one more question. Here you can see what will be the nature of electric potential at a place where electric field is 0. This question. I got question number 19. 19 मिला सबको? What is the, what will be the nature of electric potential at a place where electric field is 0? So see here, what is the relation between E and R? Who can tell? E and V. E और V में क्या relation? This is very simple. Electric field is numerically equal to gradient of electric potential. Numerically. वैसे यहाँ माइनस साइन भी होता है. It's clear? Actual में क्या होता है ये? Electric field is negative gradient of electric potential. पर इसका मैग्नीट्यूड किसके इक्वल होता है? dV upon dr. Now in the question electric field is given 0, means dV upon dr equals to 0. और जिन्होंने मैथ्स ली है उनको तो मालूम ही होगा if d by dx of y equals to 0, then y equals to constant function. Y equals to constant function. Constant function means y, value of y do not depend upon x. Value of y do not depend on x. Is clear? So here dv upon dr equals to 0, then what does it mean? इसका मतलब क्या हो गया?
v constant.
v क्या हो गया? कांस्टेंट हो गया. v कांस्टेंट हो गया मतलब क्या हो गया? v की वैल्यू क्या है? किस पर नहीं डिपेंड करेगी?
r पर.
Distance.
r पर नहीं डिपेंड करेगी. Means everywhere electric potential will be uniform. Therefore, electric potential will be same, will be uniform throughout. Throughout the region. The region. सबको समझ में आ गया? Electric field will remain uniform throughout the region. पूरे उस रीजन में जो इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड का रीजन है उसमें हर एक पॉइंट पर इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल क्या होगा? बराबर. So this is the, just now you can see one more question. So you will do the very short answer type questions you must do. Now here you can see question number 9. This is very good question. Question number 9. Have you got this question? ये question सबको मिल गया? This is in short answer type. A charge of 5 coulomb is placed at the center of the circle of radius 10 centimeter. Means what is the radius of the circle? 10 centimeter. And charge of 5 coulomb is placed at the center. Means इस पूरे रीजन में किसकी इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड है? 5 कूलम वाले की है. Calculate the work done in moving a charge of 2 coulomb from point A to the point B on the circumference of the circle. On the circumference of the circle. तो देख लो, हमने कल एक फार्मूला बताया था. अगर कोई इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड का रीजन है और उसमें किसी चार्ज Q को एक पॉइंट से दूसरे पॉइंट ले जाएं, such that the potential difference between both the points V. एक चार्ज को एक पॉइंट से दूसरे पॉइंट तक ले जाए, such that the potential difference between both the points is V. Then what will be the work done? Who can tell? Q into V means the charge which is transported multiplied by potential difference between those points between which it is moved. जिस चार्ज को ले जा रहे हैं मल्टीप्लाइड बाई उन दोनों पॉइंट के बीच का पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस जिनके बीच में इसको मूव किया जा रहा है. दिस थिंग इज क्लियर. नाउ सी हियर. Here it is moved from where to where? It is moved from A to B. A से A पर पोटेंशियल क्या होगा? कैसे कितना होगा? जो A पर पोटेंशियल होगा वही B पर होगा. क्यों होगा? Because both are situated at what distance from 5 coulomb? 10 centimeter. दोनों कहाँ पॉइंट है? A भी सर्कमफ्रेंस पर है, B भी सर्कमफ्रेंस पर है. मींस जो A पर पोटेंशियल होगा वही क्या होगा? B पर पोटेंशियल होगा. This thing is clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Therefore, potential
Yes,
difference
sir.
between them will be 0. Potential difference between them will be 0. Therefore, what will be the work done? Work done will become equal to Q into potential difference. That will become 0. So what will you write here? You can see as question number 9. As both points A and B are on circumference, therefore electric potential at both half them will be same. Therefore potential difference what will be the potential difference? That will be 0. Therefore work done in moving charge of 2 coulomb from A to B, that will equal to Q into delta V, that is 2 into 0. It will be equal to 0. Have you understood this thing?
Yes.
Now see here. Now in the next part, it is given here. This is the circle. 5 coulomb charge is placed here. Now this 2 coulomb charge, it is firstly moved from A to P and then from P to B. It is firstly moved from A to P and then from P to B. You can see the second part. If the charge 2 coulomb be first taken from A to P and then from P to B, then along which path more work will be done? मतलब more work इस path पर होगा या more work इस path पर होगा? It's clear? किस path पर अधिक work होगा? So see here, if you see here, the electric potential of P, ये A और B के कंपैरिजन में क्या होगा? It will be equal or it will be more or it will be less. Electric potential at the point P A के कंपैरिजन में या B के कंपैरिजन में more होगा या less होगा या equal होगा? Who can tell?
More.
इक्वल होगा? बिल्कुल इक्वल नहीं हो सकता है. क्यों? Because P point is nearer to the 5 coulomb, जबकि A point क्या है? It is at more distance from 5 coulomb. So at which point it will be more? हमने point चार्ज का फार्मूला
पॉइंट पी.
एट पॉइंट पी हमने पॉइंट चार्ज से पोटेंशियल का फार्मूला बताया है 1/4π Q upon R. So since P is nearer to the 5 coulomb, क्योंकि ये 5 coulomb वाला ही पोटेंशियल सेट कर रहा है, therefore electric potential at P will be more than A. It will be more than A. Electric potential at P will be more than potential at B. और VA and VB तो तुम्हारा क्या है? बराबर है. It is clear. So see here. Here what will be the work done? Work done in moving the charge from A to P. It will be equal to Q into potential difference. Q into potential difference. Here you take, let VA equals to VB equals to V. A और B का पोटेंशियल हमने क्या ले लिया? V ले लिया, क्योंकि हमको मालूम है बोथ आर सेम. Q into delta V. What is Q here? What is Q? Which charge is transported? कौन से चार्ज को ट्रांसपोर्ट कर रहे हैं?
2 coulomb.
2 coulomb. So it will be 2. डेल्टा V क्या है? उन दोनों पॉइंट के बीच का पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस, मतलब इनके और इनके. तो इसमें इनिशियल कौन सा और फाइनल कौन सा? Which one is the initial point and which one is the final?
A is initial and P is final.
P is final. Potential difference होता है potential at the final point minus potential at the initial point. Means it will be equal to what? Potential at the point P minus V. It is clear? Now you find out work done from P to B. The same thing, Q into delta V. But now what will be the delta V? It will be final point in B. Means potential at B minus potential at P. What is potential at B? V minus VP. It is clear? अब जरा देखें यहां पर, इसको देखें और इसको, दोनों में क्या डिफरेंस है? What is the difference? This is VP minus V, this is V minus VP. So you take out V common, minus common. When you will take out minus common, then it is equal to VP minus. It is clear? अब देख लो, जो वर्क ये है उतना ही न्यूमेरिकली वर्क यहां भी है. जो वर्क यहां पर है वही उतना ही न्यूमेरिकली वर्क यहां भी है. So what is the relation between both the works? Both will be same. Both will be same. जो A से P तक ले जाने में वर्क होगा वही P से B तक ले जाने में वर्क होगा. But what is the difference? In one case work is positive, so in the other case work is negative. Suppose from A to P work is 10 joule, then here it will be minus 10 joule. So what will be the total work from moving A, P, B? Who can tell?
0.
0 plus 10 minus 10, that is equals to 0. It is clear? So what will be your answer in this question? In both cases there will be same work. So equal work. There will be same work. Whether it is clear? There will be same amount of work. Now you can see one more question. All of you see numericals. It's question number 18. Have you got? All of you open your book and see that. Question number 18. सबको मिल गया? मिला कि नहीं?
Yes. Yes.
हाँ सर मिल गया.
Yes, sir.
Question number 18 you can see. How much kinetic energy is gained by an electron initially at rest when it moves through a potential difference of 1000 volt? See here, there is an electron which is initially at rest. What is the charge on the electron? 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. Now it is moved through a potential difference of 1000 volt. What does it mean? इसका मतलब क्या है? Means ये एक पॉइंट से दूसरे पॉइंट तक ले जाया जाता है. In any way it can be taken. ये ऐसे भी लिया जा सकता, ले जाया जा सकता है, या इस तरीके से भी, by any path. Because here electrostatic work do not depend upon the path. Electrostatic work do not depend upon the path. It is a conservative field. So see here, इसका meaning क्या है? That it moves through a potential difference of 1000 volt. Means it is moving in between two points between which what is the potential difference? 1000 volt. जिनके बीच में potential difference कितना है? 1000 volt है. You have to find the gain in kinetic energy. Gain in kinetic energy. So see here, gain in kinetic energy will be same as the work done from work energy theorem. From work energy theorem, gain in kinetic energy will be equal to work done. So gain in kinetic energy equals to work done in transporting the electron. And what is the formula of work done? Q into delta V minus 19 into 1000 means it will be minus 16 joule. Whether it is clear? Now one more thing. Suppose you have to change this answer in electron volt. इस क्वेश्चन में तो नहीं कहा गया है, but if you have to change this answer in electron volt, then how will you change? So see here, there is a relationship between electron volt and joule. 1 electron volt equals to 1.6 into 10 की power minus 19 joule. 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 joule. So when you will convert it into electron volt, it will come out how much? 1000 electron volt. आया समझे? मतलब अगर जूल को इलेक्ट्रॉन वोल्ट में चेंज करना है, क्या करना पड़ेगा? 1.6 into 10 की पावर minus 19 से डिवाइड. If you have to change joule into the electron volt, you will divide by this value. Whether it is clear?
Yes, sir.
Now question number you can see here 22 and 24 both are of same type. Yes. Question number 22 and 24 are of same type. I am doing question number 22. It's clear? Here you have to find the electric potential energy of the group of point charges. Electric potential energy of the group of point charges that you have to find. It's clear? So you can see here question number 22. 3 point charges Q1, Q2, Q3 are placed in a line. They are placed in a line means they are placed like this. 1, 2, and this. Q1, Q2, and Q3. The distance between Q1 and Q2 is 1 meter. It is 1 meter. And Q2 and Q3 is also 1 meter. Q1 is given minus 1 microcoulomb. Q2 and Q3 minus 1 microcoulomb. Calculate the electrostatic energy. Electrostatic energy means electrostatic potential energy you have to find. You have to determine electrostatic potential energy. So see here, तुमको ये मालूम है कि अगर दो पॉइंट चार्जेज है Q1 एंड Q2 एट डिस्टेंस R12, उनकी इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक पोटेंशियल एनर्जी का फार्मूला क्या है? What is the formula of electrostatic potential energy? So that you know 1/4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 upon R12. This is the electrostatic potential energy of 2-point charges separated by some distance. It is clear. But if there are more than 2-point charges, suppose there are 3-point charges, suppose there are 4-point charges, then how will you find? So you will split that system in the pair of 2-point charges. In the pair of 2-point charges. तो देख लो यहाँ कितने पेयर बने? One pair of Q1 and Q2. Another pair of Q2 and Q3. And third pair is of Q1 and Q3. Whether it is clear? So you can see here. Here U equals to 1/4 pi epsilon naught sigma Qi into Qj upon Rij. Sigma Qi upon into Qj upon Rij. When you will expand it, what will you get? 1/4 pi Q1 Q2 upon R12. Q2 Q3 upon R23 and Q3 Q1 upon R31. On expanding, it will be this. Now in this formula, the values of Q1 Q2 will be placed with sign. Values of Q1 Q2 will be placed with sign. What is the value of this? 9 into 10 की power 9. What is Q1? Q1 कितना है?
-1.
-1. Q2 कितना है? 2. दोनों है माइक्रोकूलम में. कैसे लिखेंगे? -1 into 2 into 10 की पावर -6 से कितनी बार? 2 बार. Upon the distance, उनके बीच की डिस्टेंस कितनी?
1 meter.
1 meter. Then Q2 Q3, so it is equal to 2 into -1 into 10 की power -6 into 10 की power -6. And what is the distance?
1
Here
meter.
also it is 1 meter. Now it is -1 into -1 into 10 की power -6 into 10 की power -6. And what is the distance here?
2 meter.
Q1 से Q2. Now you can see here 10 to the power -12 will be common. Into 10 की power 9. Into 10 की power -12 you have taken out common. So it is -2 plus -2 plus minus into minus plus 1/2. Now you calculate to find out. All of you find out. Find clear? So it is equal to 9 into 10 to the power minus 3 into it is minus 3.5. So it is minus 31.5 into 10 to the power minus 3 joule. It will be this. और अगर ये हटा देंगे ये पावर तो क्या आ जाएगा आंसर? आंसर विल कम इन द मिली जूल. So whether it is clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now we
Yes,
will
sir.
do some more question. Is clear? हाँ, क्या करें? नहीं समझ में आया क्या?
आ गया सर.
आ गया ना? अब सब लोग और क्वेश्चंस करेंगे इसके. ऐसे मंडे को एक बार हम कुछ और क्वेश्चंस बताएंगे, उसके बाद नेक्स्ट चैप्टर इज कैपेसिटर. Yes. So you will do some more questions. Mostly the questions are based on the formula. It's clear. So if formula is clear, then you can do every question. Now I'm ending.